When it comes to generating AI videos, there's not really a lot of tools out there that are beginner friendly, but Domo AI is essentially that. You can generate videos, images, avatars, and video edits basically very easily in a beginner friendly, intuitive fashion. Now, let's dive into this and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So here we are on their homepage, and as you can see right here, this is just a straight up demo of how good this thing is. All of these videos are generated with AI using their platform. So let's dive in to a first example of this using image to video. So here we are inside image to video, and what we're going to do here is add this image right here. Now this image is generated by AI, but the goal here is to turn it into a video. So we can see right here, this is where we're going to pick the different kind of precisions here in which we can use. So yeah, these are the different models that it will select for us. Then we can input a prompt. So here we have two dramatic frogs, etc., going through everything. And from that point, we can put in a prompt. So here we can see two dramatic toy frogs having a full-on fashion photo shoot in a sunny garden. One frog strikes glamorous model poses with a purple handbag. And yeah, that goes on to it. So let's go ahead and actually look down here. We can also select a template here if we want. So that could be a kissing screen, looping animation, hug, anything really for that short form content, but we'll leave this for now. Then we can select duration, that could be 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and we've got ratio here, which basically will be suited to the different styles that we're using here. So if we were using something like TikTok or a YouTube Shorts, it could be 9:16. If it was a long form YouTube video or something like that where we need some B-roll, then yes, we could do 16:9. Let's go one by one here for more of an Instagram style. You can go on relaxed mode. We can remove the watermark as well, and then we simply press generate. As you can see here, this is the result. Fantastic stuff here. It's generated that for us, which is great. Let's just zoom in and see this a little bit more. Really cool stuff here. And yeah, great for any kind of content that you're creating online that you want to be viral. Now, the faster model is great for quick results and general scenes, but the advanced model is gonna give you the best quality, stable results, and it's ideal for things like music videos, films, and anime. So here's some examples of what I mean here. We've got a Wonder Woman style character, and then if we go to this one, we can see, yes, a lot more anime style. Normally with anime studios, it takes months to create scenes, and you could do it instantly here with this. We can also see here that this is a great demo as well of someone playing the guitar, and it looks super high fidelity in 3D as well. Now next, let's try video to video. So we just simply click on the tab here. We can select an asset very easily. Here we have a boxer, so let's use that and press upload, and then we can select the style here. And just like that, it's changed that video into more of an anime style video. So this could be great for basically any lighting inconsistencies with your video. Maybe you want to completely change the style, or just start up a new YouTube channel and input your videos that you've already got. Now let's try text to video. So what we're going to do is select advanced for this one, and then we're going to input a prompt. Here we've got a serious man wearing giant pineapple glasses, delivering an overly dramatic motivational speech in a busy store. The video has fast cuts, zoom-ins, and humorous captions like "Follow your dream." We can also select the style of the model here, so we can do realistic, pixel. Let's go with realistic for this one. Select the duration. We can do 5 seconds or 10. And as you can see, this is where we can change the aspect ratio as well. Once we're happy, we simply press generate. And this is the final result. Really cool and looks incredibly realistic. Now, video to video, we can convert basically video into any different style, whether it's clay, PS2, pixel, ink, or painting. And it only really takes 2 steps. Now, what about talking? So this is where we can actually get some really good lip sync going. So then we input our script here. We can see if you're not smiling yet, don't worry, these glasses usually work after a few seconds. And then what we can do is go ahead and choose a voice.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubt.
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is The only limit to our realization of tomorrow is our doubts of today.
So those are the different voices we can choose from here, guys. And once we're happy, we can simply just pick it and press generate. Now, once we've got that audio, what we can do is play it and actually add it to a talking avatar. So we've got the picture, we've got the voice, and now we can generate this and see what we get.
If you're not smiling yet, don't worry. These glasses usually work after a few seconds.
So that is the result. I'm very happy with that, and it looks incredibly realistic. And most of this really just takes 2 or 3 clicks, guys. You simply upload it, you pick the style, you type in what you want, and then you are good to go and generate. Now, when it comes to the pricing for this, it's incredibly cheap. So normally with other platforms, guys, you're going to be paying ridiculous amounts per month, particularly if you're using multiple different models. So sometimes that can actually cost you up to $100 or even more per month. But in this case, with Domo AI, you can see here, you get 500 credits per month for simply $7 a month, which is fantastic. And then of course, with the higher plans, so you got $20 per month for 1,500 credits, and then $50 per month for 4,000 credits per month. So I think that is great value. And as we've seen with the results here today, it really is something that does set the bar high. So in short here, guys, you got video to video in 2 steps. It's cheaper than most competitors out there. And it's great for things like anime or original characters. Again, they also have the unlimited mode available if that suits you. There's also a free option as well. If you are interested, you just want to try it out, you get 15 free credits if you're a new user, but definitely be using our link in the description to get that. When it comes to your data, nothing is stored or shared. And when it comes to commercial use, if you are a creator, guys, all of this generated content you do own and can use commercially. So fantastic across the board. Definitely check this out in the description.